how to transfer Telegram data to new phone. Today we're going to show you how to quickly and easily transfer your Telegram data to a new phone without losing any chats, media or settings. If you've recently upgraded your phone or just want to switch devices, this video will help you step by step. Before we start, make sure your device are connected to the internet. Now let's open Telegram and simply log into your account and go to settings, and here you can see data and storage. If you scroll down a little, now here it will everything automatically. Telegram syncs everything to the cloud, and so there's nothing you need to manually back up. Just simply log into your account and that's it. All your old data will be transferred into your new phone. Just open Telegram and tap on start messaging. Everything will be automatically transferred and you won't need to be doing anything manually. And that's it. That's how you can simply transfer all the data from old phone to new phone.